Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase sales with Square, complete guide step by step clearly. To increase sales with Square, first, set up your Square account. Visit the Square website and click on the Get Started button. Provide the necessary information to create your account. Verify your email address to activate your account. Next, explore the Square dashboard. Familiarize yourself with sales reports, customer management, and inventory sections. Connect your bank account to ensure a smooth transfer of funds. Now, choose your preferred payment processing option. Square offers both in-person and online payment solutions. If you have a physical store, consider using Square's point-of-sale system. Purchase a Square reader to accept card payments seamlessly. For online sales, set up an e-commerce website through Square's online store feature. Customize your online store to reflect your brand. Ensure your product details, images, and prices are accurate on your website. After setting up your store, start promoting your products. Utilize social media platforms to showcase your offerings. Consider running targeted ads to reach a wider audience. Regularly analyze your sales data through the Square dashboard. Identify trends, popular products, and customer preferences for better decision-making. Engage with your customers for valuable feedback. Use email marketing to keep your customers informed about promotions. Offer discounts or special deals to encourage purchases. Implement customer loyalty programs to retain existing customers. Ensure you maintain high-quality customer service to build trust. Continuously update your inventory based on trends and sales performance. Leverage Square's tools to manage your expenses effectively. Consider integrating Square with other business tools you use. Stay informed about Square updates and new features to enhance your sales strategy. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.